Hello everyone. Today we're checking out the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum, a versatile, lightweight, and powerful cleaning solution designed for modern homes. Weighing just 14 pounds, this vacuum combines commercial-grade suction with user-friendly features, making it perfect for tackling everything from carpets to hard floors and even pet hair. The Kenmore Intuition features a 2-motor power system that delivers superior suction for deep cleaning. Its HEPA filter captures fine dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air in your home, a must-have for allergy sufferers and pet owners. What sets this vacuum apart is its HandiMate feature, allowing you to lift up the vacuum for stairs, upholstery, and tight corners without straining your arms. This model comes with a 3-in-1 combination tool, giving you the flexibility to clean crevices, furniture, and delicate surfaces effortlessly. Its bagged design ensures dust is contained during emptying, reducing exposure to allergens and making maintenance easy. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and tricky spaces, which makes daily cleaning less of a chore. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or pet hair, the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum is built to handle it all. Its powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and HandiMate lift feature make it a top choice for households that demand efficiency, versatility, and reliability. Plus, its stylish green design adds a pop of color to your cleaning routine. If you want a vacuum that combines power, portability, and convenience, the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum is an excellent choice. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description, hit like, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of top cleaning essentials.